उधर केरल सरकार और अडानी पोर्ट जो पोर्ट था, आपको बता दें, उसमें कंपनी के बीच एक समझौते पर साइन किया गया है, जिसकी मदद से बंदरगाह से राजस्व शेयर करने में तेजी आएगी। बंदरगाह से सरकार की राजस्व हिस्सेदारी में वृद्धि होने का भी अनुमान है, जिससे राज्य की आय और टैक्स में वृद्धि होगी। सरकार और अडानी पोर्ट, आपको बता दें, विंझेजम पोर्ट कंपनी के बीच समझौते को 5 साल के लिए बढ़ाया गया। दूसरा और तीसरा चरण 2028 तक पूरा होगा और बंदरगाह की क्षमता का विस्तार करने के लिए 10,000 करोड़ रुपए का निवेश भी किया जाएगा।
Yes, in fact, this specific port was supposed to be completed. The entire Vizhinjam port was supposed to take part in 4 phases, and all the 4 phases were supposed to be completed by the year 2048. But yesterday, Chief Minister took to the social media and announced that this specific project will be, in fact, it is preponed to 2028, and in fact, it had been promised to them that the entire port will be completely functioning by in next 5 years. So that is the happy news that the Chief Minister had yesterday, shared in the social media. But definitely a huge setback has hit them, and in fact in the center, in the parliament, at the same time when the Congress and the other India Alliance are demanding for arrest Adani, and in fact demanding over investigation of the charges of Adani's bribery. At the same time, a move from the state of Kerala has definitely gotten into a controversy, political controversy, wherein the BJP has come in and said that they want Adani's money and they are ready to make business out of them, but they cannot. They want him under the bars. So this is the allegation that the BJP is putting in, and it is correctly pointing out the political hypocrisy of the India Alliance. And what is to be noted here is that in fact in the state of Kerala, the war of words, and in fact specifically over the fact that who is going to take the credit of this Vizhinjam port.